We need a strong and comprehensive agreement with Greece, and we need this very soon. By strong and comprehensive, I mean an agreement that produces growth, that has social fairness, but it is also fiscally sustainable, ensures competitiveness, and addresses the remaining sources of financial instability. I can assure you that the ECB is doing all it can to facilitate a successful outcome.
I think it could be a potentially very negative outcome for Greece. I think the effects, however, beyond Greece are largely contained. Remember, just take a look at bond spreads. Spanish bond yields spread to Germany, about 167 basis points today. 3 years ago, they were 650. The ECB is containing that with their ability to buy these bond spreads, buy bonds, and recycle deposits through the Eurozone. I do not see a contagion resulting from what happens in Greece. I don't even see a Grexit down the road causing a lot of risk. Remember, more countries have been joining the Eurozone than leaving it. I think U.S. investors can look at this as a value opportunity based on what Jim said, economic growth actually improving within the Eurozone despite the drama over Greece.
I was a bull on this stock, and unfortunately, I've watched it also slip down like everybody else has been watching this thing slip down. I'm looking at this thing, even if the earnings are only a little over $2 a share, which I think is part of this note that's put out by Morgan Stanley today, it still trades relatively cheap. You're talking about a little over 11 times earnings, 12 times earnings, something like that. So it seems inexpensive, but the competition's out there. You're talking about SanDisk and Intel. Intel has been making that move to be much more competitive. They've got the server space. They're also trying to get themselves in the mobile space. I think the winner ultimately will be SanDisk and Intel. And unfortunately, I think there's going to be continued weakness for Micron, at least for the next couple quarters.
You own this?